Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to downgrade your NVIDIA graphics driver. Maybe if you're having issues with the current graphics driver and want to go back to the previous version, I'm going to show you two ways on how to downgrade. So the first one is to go to your device manager and downgrade. This will be only available if you didn't perform a clean install. If you just update your graphics driver, you can always go back. But if you perform a clean install, you can't go back. So let me show you. If you just update your driver, you go to your device manager, go to display adapters, double click your graphics driver and go to driver. You're going to see an option that says roll back. You're always going to see an option that says roll back if you perform an update. But in my case here, I did a clean install, so I can't roll back to the previous driver. So now the second step is to go to your Google and type NVIDIA drivers. Click on the first link. It will take you to this website. So what you have to do is to manually fill in the graphics driver you have. So first of all, we're going to choose the product category. I have a GeForce card. If you have a Titan, you can choose Titan. If you have a Quadro, you can choose Quadro. So I have a GeForce card. I'm going to choose GeForce. The second thing is to choose the series. Now, if you have a 20 series for the desktop, you're going to choose 20 series. But if you have a 20 series for notebook, like your gaming laptops, I'm going to choose notebooks. If you have GTX 1660 Ti, for example, you're going to choose 16 series. But if you're in a laptop, you're going to choose notebook. I have RTX 2070 on my laptop, so I'll go for 20 series for notebooks. So now I'm going to choose the type of graphics card you have. I have a 2070, so I'm going to choose 2070. And lastly, you choose your operating system and your language. When you're done with that, you click on Find. Here it's going to take you to where you're going to download the latest version. You can see right here, this is the latest version, Thursday, 31st July. So this is the latest version. It will give you two options. It will give you game ready driver and studio ready driver, depending on the one you want. So now if you want to downgrade to the previous version, what you have to do is to scroll down and expand, view more versions, expand it. It's going to give you the previous versions of game ready driver and studio ready driver. This is July 1st and this is June 17. This is May 19. You can always choose the previous one if you want. They will give you like 3 previous ones to choose from. So that's how you downgrade your NVIDIA drivers. If you want to download the old one, you click on View. When you click on View, it's going to take you to where you can download the old version. So that's how you downgrade your NVIDIA graphics driver on Windows. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.